Welcome back to Uncle Sasquatch Outdoors. Thank you for watching. Doing a little bit more work on the Colonial rifle build today. I have got the tip on my Ramrod and got it pinned, and I've got it polished down so it will fit in the stock and the Ramrod pipes. And I don't know if you watched the video where I did the Southern Mountain Rifle. I took the Ramrod. The trick I learned from Justin at Spirited Outdoors, chuck that thing in a drill and wrap sandpaper around it and sand it that way. So I found that to be a little bit easier, so I've done that. And I had one of my viewers said wish he could see me doing a little work. So what I'm working on this afternoon is ramrod pipes or thimbles. This is one of them. You can see I've taken it, and if you compare it to the other one, I'll show you that. There's one that I haven't done anything to. You can see it kind of has got a dull sandpapery look, and this is one that I worked on. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a little small hobby file or needle file, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just getting on the flats of that, and I'm filing back and forth until that sandy looking surface disappears. You can see the difference in that right there. But then what I'm doing is taking a piece of 60 grit sandpaper, and I'm wrapping it around that file. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm just sanding, more or less trying to take the scratch marks out of it from the file. And then I'll go to 80 grit the same way, wrap it around the file. And then I go 120, and then I go to 220, and then a little bit of 320, and that's not bringing it out to a real bright polish like that, because I'm going to darken this brass and age it. I'm not a big fan of shiny brass, and over time it's going to turn dark anyway, and I'm not going to sit around polishing brass all the time. If they'd have made this in the steel iron mount, I probably would have got it. That wouldn't have been period correct, because it would have been brass, since this is a 1760, 1770 era gun. So that's some of the things I'm working on. Doing that, it's a little bit time consuming, but you know, you got to do it unless you just want to look rough as a cop. Appreciate you watching. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.